Let's now discuss our kind words and phrases. These kind words and phrases should be part of our everyday vocabulary. They should be used with our family members, our parents, our brothers and sisters if we have them, any cousins and uncles, people we don't know very well. They should just be used every single day. Here's a list of kind words and phrases. Nice to meet you. Please. You're welcome. Excuse me. Thank you. I'm sorry. No, thank you. May I? Yes, please. So we're going to go over a little bit of a quiz, and I want you to fill in the blanks with these special words. When you ask for something, you should say, when you receive it, you should say, when someone says thank you, your response is, when you interrupt someone, you should say, if you've hurt someone's feelings, you should say, when someone offers you something and you do want it, you should say, when someone offers you something and you do not want it, you should say, when you want to politely request something, you should say, when you're meeting someone for the very first time, you should say, what a great exercise. I know you've heard these words before, so now I'm going to challenge you. I'd like for you to make sure that you're using these kind words and phrases every day and in every way, with your family, with your friends, and even with people you don't know very well. Can you do that for me?